Hi guys, today we are going to review a smart plug. This plug is from Smitch company. I have been using this plug for more than 2 months now and I am going to share my experience, its pros and cons, a conclusion, whether you should be buying this device or not. So make sure you are watching this video till the end. So in the specification part, it's a 16 ampere device and there is one more variant which is of 10 amperes. This is the box in which the device came in and there is also a booklet which came with this plug, but I never felt the need of reading it and I lost it as well. This product is made in India and is exclusively available on Flipkart. It is compatible with both Google Assistant and Alexa and comes with a warranty of 1 year. To set up the device, you have to plug in and once you do that, you will be seeing this light flashing. It means that the device is in setup mode. Now you have to install the Smitch app on your phone and once you open the application, this is how it looks. If you are a new user, you have to sign up, wherein it will ask for your name, email address and password. Since I already have an account, let me sign in. This is how the home page looks like and tap on the plus sign. Here you have to select the smart device, which in our case is a plug. This app will start looking for devices and once found, tap on start setup to continue. Now select the location of the device. You can select any one of the rooms and it doesn't matter. Since this device works only with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, let's select that and enter the password. This will take a bit of time and I did face problem in completing the setup, and this happens because of switching Wi-Fi between the device and the home Wi-Fi. So I would say you delete all your saved passwords and this will solve the problem. So we are done with the setup and you can see here that the blue light has stopped flashing. In the home page, you will be seeing this device and you can turn it on from here and you will be seeing a continuous red light on the plug, which means that this plug is on now. There is also a physical button on the device and pressing on it will turn it off, and the same will be reflected in the app as well. So the good thing here is that if you switch on from the application, you don't have to turn off from the app itself. It can be done from the physical button and it will be reflecting in the app as well. Same thing goes for turning on from the physical button and turning off from the application. Another good thing here is that your phone and the plug don't have to be connected to the same internet network. Suppose you are outside and you want to turn on this plug. This can be done even when your phone is connected to mobile data or any other Wi-Fi network. Other thing which I liked about the app is that you can add events. For example, daily if you are taking bath at a particular time, then you can create an event by tapping on the plus button, and here you have the option of repeating the days on which you want the event to start and the start time of the event, and in end time you have the option of ending the event manually by pressing on the physical button or setting a time for it. There is also a scene section here, and with this you can exercise multiple combinations of the device. In case of a plug, there are only 2 combinations and one of them is the on state and the other is off state. But in case of a bulb, there are many combinations like changing the brightness, color and effect, and you can save any combination in this scene and activate by tapping on them. Tapping on plug icon in home page will show you these options, and tap on setting a timer. Here you have a predefined timer of 5, 10, 15 minutes till 60 in multiple of 5, and these can be changed by moving the slider. Here you can see the current state of the device and you can see the plug going off once the timer is reached. Same thing can be done for turning it on after the timer expires. You can see the amount of power consumed by the device connected to the plug. Now I don't have anything connected, so you can see the current reading is near to 0. And when I connected a charger to this plug, you will be seeing the ampere and power reading changing. Power is nothing but the multiplication of voltage and current. This app gives you the amount of power consumed today and for the past 7 days, and also an estimated cost based upon the price per unit, which can be changed by tapping on the I button. If you want more details, tap on advanced and you can see a graph like this, from which you can get detailed information for one entire week. Coming to the cons of this device, to be frank, I did not see any problem with this plug till today, and since this plug comes with a warranty of 1 year, I don't think there is anything to worry about. The customer support of Smitch is really good, and if you are facing any difficulty in setting up the device, they will help you out. I will have the buy link of the product in description. I did not face any problem with respect to this device, and please let me know if you have any questions, and please subscribe to All About Apps. Thanks for watching and have a great day.